Alright, to actually push out the apps to student devices, you need to go to Admin Portal. Now some of you might not have access to this, but it depends on the settings that are set in Curriculum Loft. But you go to Admin Portal, there might be another button on there that has Manage Apps or something like that. But if you go to Admin Portal, and then if I go to Explore One-to-One, and here's where I can manage apps. You can also manage your web links right here in the same exact way. I'm going to manage applications. On this screen you can see all the applications that have been sent in. These have already been approved. You can see this this is pending. So if I have a pending app, I can go into my pencil. I can go over here to approve it if that is an acceptable app, and then I'll come down and save and exit. You can also see there's licensing information you can add here as well. There's also compatibility, so it tells you what if it's compatible with Kuno 4 or other Kuno versions that you have. So I'll put save and exit. And if I wanted to push that app out to students or teachers, I can go to Users. And under Users, you can add a new request. And you scroll down. There's a place for notes if you like. You can search by group or you can search by user. If you're going to push it out to a teacher, you might select a particular teacher, and it will go to all of her students or his students. If you wanted to go out to one particular kid or one particular student, you would search here and type in whatever you want there, and you can select a student and send it out to just one student or several students if you need. The nice thing about selecting by group, if another student gets added to that teacher's class, they automatically get the apps that that teacher has assigned to her class. I'm going to show you, let me go back to Manage Applications. Oh yeah, I should have. Let me go back and once you, let's go back to that color kaleidoscope. If you add a new request and you send out to a group of a teacher to her students, you can also send it out to every student in the school building. So if you want to send something out to every student in in a high school or something like that, you can do that as well, or every student in a particular course, like a graphing calculator. Again, if you view your users, and then if you hit deploy, that's going to send out to all those students next time they sync their device. So let me go back to Manage Apps. I want to show you, for my last video I did a request. So for example, Google Earth, I did a request for that, and I can see it's already approved. So there's already some users using this. So if I go to my users, as an administrator, you can see if you've got new requests. So you've got new requests for different apps, or so I can go to users, and I can see who has made that request. So if it was a group that made a request or a user, so I can see here where I made that request. As an administrator, I can double click on that, and that shows me the groups that wanted this. If I go down to deploy, it'll send it out to all of my students. You can see there it's sent it out to the students in my class. And if you ever need to pull an app off, you can just come in here and you can deactivate that group or deactivate a user. There's other ways you can do that, but you can also take apps off of students' tablets. So very easy to get apps on and off. Again, that's done through Explore One-to-One and Manage Applications. I'll refresh this. You can see here when you refresh it, deployed 7. I had 7 students in my class. So real quick overview on how to push out apps. And if you have any questions, please email me at mike.simonis@gmail.com or give our tech support a call. Thank you.